Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Since it's a new year, I wanted to share my current skincare routine that I have been consistent with lately. This routine is all about hydration, glow, and starting the year with healthy skin from inside out. So let's get started. After removing makeup with this Garnier Micellar, I always start with a rice water mask. Rice water is amazing for brightening and soothing the skin. I love how gentle yet effective it is. I apply it evenly all over my skin and let it dry fully. This step really helped prep my skin and give it natural glow. Once the mask is completely dry, I go in with my cleanser to wash everything off. This removes any residues and leave my skin feeling clean, soft, and refreshed, never stripped. Step 3 is my toner. Next, I apply toner. This helps balance my skin, add hydration, and get my face ready to absorb the rest of the product. This product is from L'Oreal. I really like how it feels. It dries faster and it feels very soft on the skin. Make sure you give it a few minutes to set before you apply any other product. Give it about a minute so that it can dry on your skin. And also, I also use this fan to make it quickly to dry. Step number 4 is eye cream. After toner, I gently tap in my eye cream. I focus on being very soft, allow this area to help with hydration and prevent fine lines. Yes, step number 5, hydrating cream. Then I use my hydrating face cream to lock in moisture. This step keeps my skin plump, smooth, and nourished throughout the day or the night. This time I'm applying this is a nighttime routine. So yeah, I apply it. Make sure that you put enough. Apply it with upward motion, circular motion. Yes, massage it in. Let it stick in your skin. Okay, don't leave any space on your neck area and your décolleté, and also on your forehead, allowed your brows and the cheek. Yes, we need everything to set, everything to soak in the skin, because this is how it have to be. Give it some few minutes to set, and then here I'm applying and hydrating my lips using this cocoa butter. I really like this one, make my lips so soft. Yeah, so you can purchase this if you want, or use anything. A Vaseline is also good to hydrate your skin. Let the cream to set for a few seconds, and then I'm gonna go in with the next step. Step number 6, jojoba oil. Do you call it jojoba or jojoba oil? To seal everything in, I apply a few drops of jojoba oil. I love jojoba oil because it mimics the skin natural oils and give that healthy glow without feeling heavy. Yes, massage it in. You can see the glow, and I like how it feels soft on my skin. Very, very, very useful. Don't forget the neck area, your hands, your brows, everywhere. Don't forget, okay? After several years of living in this earth, we need to keep hydrated, okay? Make sure that you drink a lot of water also, and make sure that you have enough sleep, because that also helps. I'm doing a little bit of massaging here because that helps the skin to absorb the product. I'm looking for my massager here. Step number 7 gonna be facial massage. After applying the oil, I take a few minutes to massage my skin. This helps with circulation, relaxation, and honestly just feels so good. It's my favorite self-care moment. Yes, you can see how I feel. It's so relaxing. I feel like just closing my eyes and feel the relaxation. And after the whole day of working, this one is the self-care. I really like this step. Let me know down below whether you do some massages on your skin or do you use gua sha. Several times I use gua sha, but sometimes I like using this appellant, where I bought it on Dirty, where if you're in France, you know Dirty, and it vibrates and help me massage my skin. It feels so good. You can see how I'm enjoying it. The skin is enjoying it, and I don't feel like stopping these massages. Okay, so I recommend, if you want your skin to be tighter, make sure that you buy one of the massage tools to massage your skin, or you can also use your hands, or also you can use a gua sha. Step 8, eye mask. To finish off, I use an eye mask. This gives my under eye an extra boost of hydration and help me look more refreshed. It's very good to apply an under eye mask, because this helps a lot. It feels like you have got a 12-hour sleep. Skincare isn't just about products. I make sure to get enough sleep, and drink plenty of water to stay hydrated from inside out. These two things make a huge difference in how my skin looks and feels. That's my New Year skincare routine. Simple, hydrating, and focused on consistency. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your favorite skincare step or any routine you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and here to growing skin all year long. Happy New Year to everyone. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe, because we are on our way to 1 million subscribers, and I'm going to be giving away cash money giveaway when we reach 200k subscribers. Thank you. Much love. Happy New Year.